Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about the mate function in Excel. This function is used to extract a specific number of characters from a text string in Excel. Let's jump in and take a closer look. So I'm going to show you. In the formula tab you can see the text, and there when I click over the mate function arguments, it says that returns the characters from the middle of a text string, giving a certain position and the length text. It's the text string from which you want to extract the characters, so you can use the formula and just you can write here, or you can use the formula in down here. For now I'm just cancel it. I'm showing you by the example here. I already made up with the example here. There is a text, it say the start number and the number of characters, then the result. So what I'm going to do, I'm just write the equal and use the mate, and when I click the mate, it says return the characters from the middle of the text. It's a string giving a starting position length, so the bracket, and it says the text. So I'm going to select this text, only this text, and then use a comma and you say the start number. So what you start from the number, so I'm going to start with the 1, but because it doesn't count the 0, I may start with the number, then I'll use the comma, then it say the number of characters. How many number do you want to? So if I want to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, I'm use the 7. Let me just write 7 and close it, hit on the enter. Now you can see it's now in the 7. I'm already used in here. I can just use for like the example. If I use like meet and use this one, then text, I'm going to use a text and a start number. I'm just use this one, use the number of characters. I'm using this one, close it and hit on the enter. Now you can see it gives the same result. You can use the scroll down and it gives the same number. Okay, now I'm going to use, like, I try to find out the place. So how can I do that? Let me just equal, then use the mate and the text. I'm going to use this text, and what I'm going to do here for the replace, I want to use only the place, so I'm going to use for my entry. Then what I'm going to do, so I'm looking for the characters. How many characters? I want to 5 characters, so it's place has a 5 characters, so I'm use a 5 and then close it, then hit on the enter. Now you can see it gives the same result. Okay, same way just you can do for the another. Let me just use, I'm gonna want to use this, use the mate, and from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, there is another one. Like I'm gonna use the from the text, then use the 9, and then what I'm going to do, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to use the number of characters, right of, and use the bracket, close it and hit on the enter. Now you can see it gives us the same result. So same way, I just want to use a text to find out how can I do that. Just equal, then say mate, and I need to find out the number of the text. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and I say the 14. So before that, I'm just select the text and use the 14, then the text. So I'm going to use the 4 text, so number of characters 4, and close it, hit on the enter. Now you can see it gives the text. Okay, so why it's comma only the text is the easier for, if I use for, let me use it now, you can see is the 4. Okay, so here is the same way. Thus you can compare and you can see that the difference of the result. So are you happy with the mate function in Excel? This function is a great tool for extracting a specific number of characters from a text a string in a cell or a range of cells. Thanks for watching.